Did you know there's a simple drink that can boost your immune system, help you manage your weight, and even improve your brain health, all with just 2 everyday spices? Imagine sipping on something that could protect your body and mind without the need for complicated ingredients or expensive supplements. In this video, we're going to uncover the 10 incredible health benefits of drinking cloves and cinnamon water every day. What's more, you'll learn how to make this powerful drink right in your kitchen, using ingredients you likely already have. Stick around until the end because the final benefit might be the most surprising one for your long-term health. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on life-changing health tips. Let's start by understanding what cloves and cinnamon actually are. Cloves are dried flower buds from the clove tree, native to Southeast Asia. They've been used in both cooking and traditional medicine for centuries due to their strong, distinctive flavor and impressive health properties. Cinnamon, which comes from the inner bark of the cinnamon tree, has a warm, sweet flavor that's often found in desserts, but it's much more than a spice for baking. It's also packed with health benefits. Together, these 2 ingredients make a drink that's not just tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Let's get into the details. Benefit number 1: immune system boost. One of the most important benefits of cloves and cinnamon water is its ability to strengthen your immune system. Cloves contain an antioxidant called eugenol, which helps increase the production of white blood cells, the cells that fight infections and keep your body healthy. Cinnamon, with its powerful antimicrobial properties, adds extra protection by fighting off harmful bacteria and viruses. Together, these 2 ingredients work to create a natural shield for your body, especially during cold and flu season, making it easier to stay healthy. Benefit number 2: anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is your body's natural way of dealing with injury or illness, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health problems. That's where cloves and cinnamon come in. Cloves are rich in eugenol, which helps reduce inflammation in your body, while cinnamon contains compounds that block pathways leading to inflammation. This combination can help ease symptoms of conditions like arthritis or digestive inflammation, giving your body a natural way to manage long-term health issues. Benefit number 3: digestive health. Cloves and cinnamon are also great for your digestive health. Cloves are known for their carminative properties, which help relieve digestive discomfort by reducing gas and bloating. Cinnamon helps with digestion by breaking down food more efficiently, making your digestive system work better overall. By drinking cloves and cinnamon water regularly, you can help soothe common digestive problems and support the health of your gut. Benefit number 4: blood sugar regulation. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for maintaining steady energy throughout the day, and cinnamon is particularly good at this. Studies have shown that cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body regulate blood sugar more effectively. Whether you have diabetes or just want to keep your energy levels balanced, drinking cloves and cinnamon water can be a simple, natural way to support your body's ability to control blood sugar. Benefit number 5: heart health. Your heart can also benefit from cloves and cinnamon. These spices help relax your blood vessels, lowering your blood pressure and reducing the strain on your heart. They also help lower cholesterol levels, which further reduces your risk of heart disease. By drinking cloves and cinnamon water, you're not only giving yourself a flavorful drink, but also protecting your cardiovascular system. Benefit number 6: dental health. Did you know that cloves are a natural remedy for oral health? They contain powerful antiseptic and antibacterial properties that help fight harmful bacteria in your mouth, keeping your breath fresh and promoting healthier gums. Drinking cloves and cinnamon water daily can support your oral hygiene routine and help prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Benefit number 7: stress relief. In addition to physical health benefits, cloves and cinnamon can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. The soothing aroma of these spices has been shown to have calming effects, making them a natural stress reliever. Imagine winding down at the end of a long day with a warm cup of cloves and cinnamon water. It's not just comforting, but also beneficial for your mental well-being. Benefit number 8: weight management. If you're looking to manage your weight, cinnamon can be an excellent addition to your routine. Cinnamon helps boost metabolism and regulates appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. By drinking cloves and cinnamon water regularly, you're adding a flavorful and healthy way to support your weight management efforts. Benefit number 9: anti-cancer properties. Cloves are packed with antioxidants that help protect your body from oxidative stress, which is linked to the development of cancer. These antioxidants work by neutralizing harmful free radicals, reducing your risk of certain types of cancer. Including cloves and cinnamon water in your daily diet is an easy way to add an extra layer of defense against harmful diseases. Benefit number 10, improved brain function. Cinnamon has been shown to have neuroprotective properties that can enhance memory and cognitive function. Drinking cloves and cinnamon water regularly may give your brain a boost, improving mental clarity and helping you stay sharp. This drink is not only a treat for your taste buds, but it can also support long-term brain health. Now that you know all the incredible benefits of drinking cloves and cinnamon water, you're probably wondering how to make it. It's really simple. Here's what you'll need: a handful of cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, and 2 cups of water. Start by bringing the water to a boil. Once it's boiling, add the cloves and cinnamon sticks. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow all the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. When it's ready, strain the mixture into a cup and enjoy. Drinking this daily could be the simple health boost you've been looking for. That's it for today's video. As you can see, something as simple as cloves and cinnamon water can have profound effects on your health. Remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And make sure to subscribe for more tips on how to improve your health naturally. Stay healthy and stay happy.